finally gonna show you guys today. I have been teasing you guys so much on Instagram, YouTube about this like secret big thing coming for the Mustang. Yeah, like I said, today we're finally gonna reveal it. When I tell you the Mustang is going through a massive transformation, what better way to transform your car than with a freaking wide body kit? Ever since I dreamed of having a Mustang, I always dreamed of having a wide body one. With this specific kit in mind, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but this kit, this huge box has been in my shop in the background for I think the past couple videos, and I kind of leaked like the name. Like you can kind of see the name printed on the box. So I don't know if you guys caught it on camera, but enough hiding, enough, you know, keeping a secret. Today I'm gonna show you guys officially, no more teasing. Alright, so last video, we pretty much put this thing back to stock. Now I'm still working on it. I had to order a couple bolts that I'm missing for like the pulleys and stuff from Subaru. But this thing, motor-wise, is going back to stock. A lot of you guys are wondering, you know, what is going on with the FRS? Why did I take the supercharger off? I have to get that thing smog, guys. This year will be the 7th year. I got it back in 2016. 9, oh shoot, never mind, 9 years so far. And this is, I think after 8 years, you have to smog it in California after you buy a car brand new. So I gotta smog it, so I had to go back to stock, unfortunately. And 2, I feel like it'll push me to just go all out with this car this year, because I feel like it's been the same for so long. You know, motor-wise, I've had the Vortex supercharger on for like, I wanna say 5 years now. And I was like, you know what, if I sell this thing, it'll push me to eventually like swap it or do something even bigger. So I was like, you know what, let's just sell the Vortex supercharger, get it smogged, and since I won't have the Vortex anymore, it'll push me to either swap it, you know, turbo it, whatever the case may be, something new. It'll be a nice change for the FRS. So those are the 2 reasons why. But yeah, for now, we are in the process of getting it back to OEM factory on the motor, smog, and then we'll go crazy on that thing. But anyways, that's a little update. This video is not about the FRS out there. Before we get too far in today's video, guys, if you remember, I made this vision board so long ago, and honestly, I have not really kept up with it. It's literally just been in my closet collecting dust. But we're gonna remake a vision board today because we gotta set some new goals for 2025. So these are the old goals that I had on my vision board. As you can see, some we actually accomplished. We got a turbo right here, which we did accomplish for the 2022 BRZ. We can take this one off. The 100K plaque, which we accomplished as well on YouTube. We can remove that as well. Look at this, a Mustang. I was so close on the color. This is a black one, but I specifically said I wanted a 2018 plus S550 5.0, and we accomplished that. The shop, we actually did. It's been so long since I've touched a vision board, but yeah, as you can see, we have our own little shop, so we can remove that. I printed out some fresh pictures right here of all the goals I have for 2025. We're gonna go ahead and cut these real quick and just kind of give the vision board a refresh and make it look new again. I really just want to be more consistent with YouTube and take it more serious. I've taken YouTube, you know, serious, but I feel like this year I really want to kind of just be way more consistent. As you guys see on the channel, I usually post like once a week, but I really want to push myself and like, you know, post two times, 3 times a week potentially. So also I want this to represent 200,000 subscribers. I feel like we can make it happen this year. 200K 2025 on this channel. We're manifesting that. An F250 Super Duty. Always wanted to invest into a truck, especially for trailering the cars, you know, out of state to different shows. I'm not 100% sold on an F250. I'm still kind of like debating. I would love like a Ram 2500. This image right here, this truck, symbolizes a truck build for 2025. Time to update this one with this image right here. You're probably wondering, you know, a house to an apartment. Go and put this right here. Me and my girlfriend have really been looking to get our own place. Now a house is huge, especially in this, you know, housing market nowadays in 2025. It's definitely possible, but an apartment is, I feel like, way more achievable. But if God blesses us with a house, that would be amazing. Obviously way better than an apartment, but we've definitely been looking into an apartment, me and my girlfriend. So That's definitely going on the vision board. So yes, guys, it is one of my goals to LS swap the FRS. Been wanting to do this for years. Now I feel like since I put it back to stock, it's kind of like that first step in just kind of initiating, you know, something with the FRS. But definitely this year, I want to do an LS swap on the FRS. Got to put a Corvette engine on the vision board. Speaking of engines, this is a Vortec supercharger. It's funny because we were just talking about the Vortec on that car, but I definitely want to put a Vortec on the Mustang. As you can see, it's on a 5.0. Either Vortec, Paxton, ESS, whatever the case may be. This is definitely a goal of mine this year, after we wide body it, is to eventually supercharge the 5.0. Now this is something new I have yet to put on the vision board. Now it's a stack of money, and this is actually $100,000 in cash. Not gonna lie, I've been spending a lot. 2024, I spent a lot of money. I definitely want to prioritize, you know, saving / investing some money. I feel like a lot of the money I do make, I invest it back into the channel, you know, which is good, but I also want to put money aside, you know, for emergencies and just to have money aside. You know, it's good to have money. So this symbolizes right here $100,000 in cash. By the end of this year, it is the goal to have $100,000. Now, aside from money, this is a huge goal of mine for this year. It's an F80 M3. You guys already know I've been talking about this car for so long, so we'll go and put this right here. Definitely a huge goal for 2025. All right, picture of credit cards. You guys are probably like, what? You want to open more credit cards? No, guys, so this symbolizes credit card debt. By the end of 2025, hopefully sooner, I want to be clear of credit card debt. Definitely financially, I want to up my game this year. I want to save a lot of money, you know, put money aside, and also clear a lot of credit card debt that I have. Last but not least, this is like a car under a car cover. I want to do some type of reveal for this year's birthday cruise. If you guys have been following along, you guys know that I've been doing, you know, these birthday cruises every single year for my birthday. And one year was very special. We did the wrap reveal for the STI. So we revealed a new color on the STI when I had that car. It was so fun. You know, we had a DJ, food, drinks, you know, we had a whole reveal for you guys to come and see firsthand, you know, before, you know, the YouTube channel sees it. So I definitely want to do another reveal this year, whatever the case may be, you know, a wrap reveal, a new car reveal maybe, some type of reveal for this year's birthday cruise. So that's one of the goals I decided to put on the vision board is, you know, some type of reveal for the cruise. This is going to be the updated vision board as of January 2025. You know, fingers crossed we can knock all of this off of the vision board this year. I would love to honestly, as we go on, add more stuff to this board. This is kind of just like, I guess you can say like a baseline point, you know, just starting 2025. But if anything else comes up, and I'll show you guys me adding more goals to the vision board. So I think it's a good start, stuff I feel like you guys would be interested in seeing. So yeah, vision boards are cool. I don't know why I've had it, you know, on the back burner for so long. It's kind of a reminder to, you know, push my goals, push towards my goals. And I just feel like seeing this repetitively every single day, it'll just put that like vision literally in my head, and it'll just like subconsciously make me work towards that. Literally manifesting. Since it's a new year, 2025, I encourage you guys to give it a shot. You know, best case, it works out and you literally got to achieve what you wanted to do. Make that vision board, guys. But yeah, that's enough yapping about vision boards. Let's get into today's video. Well, guys, as you can see right here, we have the new wide body kit. Oh my gosh, really. In this box right here for the Mustang. And as you can see on the side, it says clinched. Oh man, it's freaking real. Look at how freaking huge this box is. So there is 2 rear fenders in here, 2 front fenders, massive front lip splitter, I believe a ducktail spoiler, and side skirts. That's enough talking. Let's just go ahead and crack this thing open. All right, first look. I have not opened this thing. I've not opened this thing at all, so you guys are gonna get a first look with me. Hopefully everything's freaking in here and intact. Oh my gosh. It's freaking real. Yo. Piece of paper right here that has everything, like I said, you know, all the fenders, all the fender pieces. Guys, look at how sick these fenders are. It is so wide. You guys will see in a minute. So Clinch was nice enough to include this. They did not have to, but they engraved Board Supply logo on the kit. Look, it might be on every single piece, but check this out. It has the order number for Chris Borges. Look at this. We have the Borges Supply logo. That is so freaking cool. Just a nice little touch to the wide body. Oh my gosh. Look at this front lip. Oh my, with the bags, this thing is literally just gonna be on the floor. This is actually an ABS plastic wide body. Super different, you know, not a lot of wide bodies are ABS plastic. You know, if you have a wide body, then you know, wide body fenders crack so easy because they're fiberglass, but this time it is ABS and it's so flexible as you can see, so curious. I've never had an ABS plastic wide body. Oh man. As you can see, this is the front fender. Dude, it is so wide. Look at this. It kind of gives me like Rocket Bunny V3 vibes from like the FRS and VRZ. It has like that bubbly feature. I don't know how to describe it, but this is by far my favorite kit out of every S550 kit. Just due to the factor of how it reminds me of the Rocket Bunny V3 kit on, you know, the 86 platform. All right, this looks like the rear fender. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so freaking sick. Best kit ever. It literally looks like a V3 kit for the FRS. So far so good, nothing looks damaged, thankfully.
Ah, la puta verga.
For the Mustang.
Hey, let me see.
You wanna see
right
it?
now.
All
A
right.
little bit.
Yeah, like that. Damn, it's gonna be wide.
Oh, he's fucking.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
Hey, it's plastic.
So it doesn't crack.
So this is more quality, huh? This is
fiber
quality.
Yeah, because fiberglass will break easy.
Yeah, for the fiberglass broken. This no only.
So this is flexible.
Flex. This is flex.
Yeah, it's gonna be wide, bro.
Verga,
You like it? New wrap color and everything. I'm gonna wrap it different color.
Quality, bro.
Yeah, this one's freaking
Let
huge.
me see it, bro.
Yeah, like that.
Oh,
Damn.
güey, no
Look how
mames.
wide it is. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Furcio, mira esta madre, güey.
It's so
A la
wide.
verga, güey. Hey, Chan, a ver, cuídale aquí, güey, para mirarlo.
Here, you wanna see it?
Yeah, but you push right here. That's it. Ay, joder.
So I'm gonna do like custom wheels and everything. Like wider. 3-piece wheels. It's gonna be a different car, bro.
Hey, bro, it's fucking big. Super big.
Alright, what else do we got? I feel like it's like freaking Christmas all over again. Oh, sick. Comes with a bag of this rubber seal. So this actually goes around the edges. So where you bolt it onto the car. So kind of like water doesn't go through. And then also, if you want, it gives it kind of like that outline look of the wide body. Depends what color I go with, honestly. If it's a bright color, I'm not gonna put this on because it's gonna make it look kind of weird. But if it's a dark color, I feel like it would be a nice touch and you won't really be able to see it. So cool that they have that, you know, for the option. Oh yeah, I forgot. Side skirts. This kit is so freaking wide. It literally comes with like supporting pieces. I've never had a wide body kit that comes with like supporting stuff like that. Look, it like goes behind the side skirts. That way it sits, you know, flush to the body and it has some structure. Crazy, like all the wide body kits I've had, it's just like bolt on and that's it. But the fact how this kit needs like support behind the fenders is actually crazy. There's actually support behind here too, look. Behind the rears, there's this whole like other structure. So if that doesn't show you how wide this thing is, then I don't know. All right, and last but not least, a whole bunch of goodies. Looks like we have a clinched banner, a couple stickers. Looks like a pin. That's pretty sick. Interesting. So rivet nuts for plastic, and they supply hardware. That's sick. Never gotten a wide body kit that actually supplies hardware. I know that's kind of a small thing, but that's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, this right here, as you guys saw me unbox, is the complete wide body kit from Clinched. I have it all set out right here. Everything looks good. Nothing seems to be damaged, which is a huge, huge plus. I love wide bodies because it sets your car apart from like normal traffic. You know what I mean? You know, cars on the road, they're not wide body. So it's like when people see this thing, it's crazy, you know what I mean? It just looks so different than anything on the road. And yeah, just seeing all this laid out on the floor, it's just like, I can already predict all the work that's gonna go into this. It's gonna be a lot of work, guys. We're gonna need, hopefully not too much body work. I hope this kit fits, you know, really good. That way we don't have to spend a lot of time, you know, fitting the kit on the car. We're gonna have to install it, cut the quarter panels, seal them, get new wheels, test fit them, wrap the car, assemble everything. You know, it's gonna be a ton of work, but I'm so excited. This phase was nice, you know, the stock body with the triple chrome TEs. I feel like I didn't have it on for that long, but yeah, man, I already knew eventually I was gonna freaking wide body this thing. I don't know, I felt like the time was right. And yeah, guys, it's gonna be very soon, this car's not gonna have any more T37s on it. It was a sick phase, bro. I never seen a Mustang with triple chrome TEs, but definitely kind of short-lived, not gonna lie. It was nice, but I'm ready to make the Mustang look like this thing. But yeah, guys, comment down below, are you guys excited for the wide body build on the Mustang? It's kind of sad nowadays. I feel like wide body installs aren't as, I guess you can say, hyped up. I feel like back in like 2015, you know, back when wide bodies were rare, you get a wide body kit, like I remember like TJ Hunt got a wide body kit for the BRZ and it was just like, bro, like mind blown, like shut the internet down, you know what I mean? Nowadays I feel like it's obviously much different. I feel like almost everybody has a wide body kit on Instagram. You see it everywhere, it's not as rare, so in a way that kind of sucks, but that kid in me back in 2015, you know, seeing stuff like this, it was always so cool to see, you know. My favorite YouTuber getting, you know, new wide body kit, you know, seeing the install process, you know, transforming the car. So I'm excited to do it for the Mustang. Like I said, it's been a long-term goal of mine. You guys saw the Mustang on the vision board. Definitely was my dream car, and wide bodying it was officially, I guess you can say, calling it my dream car. Massive shout out to Clinched. This is gonna be freaking huge. Literally, I'm gonna have Lonzo help me. Lonzo was the one that helped me install the wide body on the FRS. If he's free this weekend, we're literally, I feel like, gonna start the install this weekend. So soon, guys, I was serious, you know, we're gonna start this thing soon. If all goes planned, we're gonna start chopping up the Mustang this weekend and get going on this build. Again, smash the like button if you guys are excited.